Assalamu alaikum. My name is Keith Ellison, and I am the Congressperson-elect from the 5th Congressional District of Minnesota. I want to thank you for your involvement in this historic Impact Convention. Clearly, your role and your participation in strengthening the work of Impact will be great and have dividends for all of America's people. Let me also say that we are at a historic juncture in our nation's history. We're at a historic juncture because given the results of the last election, we simply have seen the American people choose courage and unity over fear and disunity. We've seen the American people embrace hope over distrust. And I think that Impact is well positioned to take a hold of this hope, take a hold of this possibility of bringing people together and do great things with it. Let me say that the Muslim community has had its fair share of challenges over the last several years. Lord knows that you and I can both list off several. But one of the things that you have seen consistently is that the overwhelming majority of the American people have been rejecting religious bigotry, have been rejecting the politics of exclusion, have been rejecting the politics of the other. And instead, we've seen people of all faith communities, all colors, all cultures, rally around the Muslim community to say that in America, Muslims, Christians, Jews, Hindus, everyone is welcome to participate in the development of this great country. We've seen people of all colors, all faiths, all cultures come together to say that we do not abide and will not tolerate religious intolerance. And so I want you to know that I will work, inshallah, diligently to make sure that this country of ours is more open, more prosperous, safer, and more respecting of the civil and human rights of all people than it was before I took office. And I'm going to be relying on you and hoping to gain your support and your help in order to do that. So let me simply say to the members of Impact and to all the invited guests that it's a tremendous honor to be coming to you today via video. I wish I were there, and may Allah bless your deeds. Jazakallah khair.